Hi ladies. So very excited because I am opening my Etsy shop. I have been wanting to do this for a very long time. I've always wanted to get a Cricut, but it was very expensive, and I finally got it on Christmas. No, sorry, on my birthday, which was back in December. And I am so thankful to my mom and my sister because they actually got it for me. And then I bought myself an Easy Press. And yes, so right now I was planning to open this at the beginning of the year, but sadly I wasn't able to because a lot of things were going on in my life. One big thing was COVID, and obviously I got COVID, so I honestly just was not focusing on opening my shop at that time. I was focusing more on my health and my family's health. But now I I want to open it now. I feel like I'm going to open it a little bit later. It is February 16. I want to say by the first or second week of March, I will have my Etsy shop open. I already actually worked on the logo. I have the logo for it. I have the name for it. Oh, I'm so excited. And I have what I'm going to sell. Like, I already know what I'm going to sell what I'm going to sell. The next steps for me is to create my files and choose the fonts. I am going to have a limited amount and then I'll add as I go eventually. I'm going to start with cups and tote bags, and then eventually I will move on to keychains. I will move on to stickers and a lot of more fun stuff that I have planned. But for now, that is what we are going to. Okay, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I am going to show you my logo and where I created it. It's very simple, nothing too extravagant. I wanted it to be very simple just because I feel that if I go with a certain specific theme, then everyone's going to think that that's the theme. So it's very simple and I can just get creative and do it, get away with many things. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just so excited. I am so freaking excited. Oh my god, I haven't been this excited in a very long time, and I'm excited to share this with you. Of course, I'm still learning along the way. I've asked my friend, she recently opened her own business, and I've asked her a couple of things because she has these really cute cards. Inner Bloom, her shop is called Inner Bloom on Instagram. I'll tag her, and she does these beautiful rings, crystal rings. I don't know, let me see, is it focused? But look, I don't have the prettiest fingers, so I am a really bad modeling finger person. Anyways, this is hers, and I want the cards. Well, I don't want, like, I want to know where she got the cards, but I think I'm going to try to do it myself. If not, I will order. So I'm going to try to do as many things as I can myself and really not spend so much money on opening my business, especially because I'm barely starting. I think it's really essential that baby steps, At least I think that's what I think, especially because it's no one knows yet. So anyways, I don't know what I'm saying, but I am right here on Canva, and let me show you. I don't know if you can see. I should probably be sharing my screen, but I'm going to go home. I'm going to show you the finished product. So it is actually on this folder, and here it is. That is my logo. I'm going to post a picture of it. Its name is going to be Sunny Soul. I love that name. I feel like Sunny is just happiness, positiveness, joy, and soul. Like just your soul, your faith kind of a thing. I don't know, that's what I think of. I really like that name, Sunny Soul, and it just, I don't know, positive. These are some of the cups I'm going to be selling. This one's blank, but it's going to be a simple cup with a name, and you can either choose, I'm going to have different images to choose from. A couple, not a lot. I don't want to get people to get overwhelmed, and I don't want to get overwhelmed. Just nice and simple. You like it, there it is. And the prices are, I'm still deciding on the prices, but But needless to say, I am very excited. There's still a lot to go on. I'm going to show you along as I progress. So the logo is done. If you want to see an in-depth video of how I did the Sunny Soul logo, let me know. Okay, update. Sorry, update number 2. I went ahead and did my Instagram, which I'm very excited about. So here it is, and I am pretty sure you cannot see, so but it's there. If you want to go follow me, it's sun_e_soul. Why soul? That was the best username I was able to find, but the store's name is Sunny Soul, and I'm so excited. I am going to post some pictures, like some quotes, and then do a cup and post a picture of it, so get my theme started, and then I will go ahead and share it with my friends and family once my Etsy shop is up, and then I will go ahead and start selling. Holy smokes, I'm gonna start selling this. Hi everyone, so welcome back. I know I didn't show you everything that I was doing, but this has already been a couple days later, and basically Tuesday is the day that I am going to order everything that I need to open the shop. Here, one thing that I did order on Amazon was vinyl, just because I want to make sure that the colors that I want and which colors I'm going to use. So I went ahead and bought a variety pack, and just basically I'm going to go ahead, look at this beautiful color. I'm going to go ahead and choose the colors that I want. But to start off, I feel like this is okay. Just like the colors are fine, and I'll have enough materials for a couple of cups, so that is why I decided. Okay, sorry, that got cut off. So these I did order, and it's 40 of them, and the colors are gorgeous, and I think it is from StarCraft, so they're actually really good quality. That's why I wanted to try the sample first before ordering a whole roll of the color. So with that putting aside, I am going to work on my budget on Excel, and I'm going to list everything that I'm going to purchase. So I already have it on my Amazon cart. I was looking for boxes, so if you know of a place where I can get boxes, please let me know. But for now, Amazon's going to have to do, just because I don't want to buy so many bulky things. I don't want to buy like 50 cups, 50 mugs, 50 tote bags, because I honestly don't know if they're going to sell or which people are going to buy them. So I bought 12 cups, 12 clear cups, 12 matte pastel color cups, and then 12 mugs and 12 tote bags, and I think those should be enough to get me started and to list it and to do them, because my family is going to be purchasing it first. So that's how I'm going to take the pictures, do the cups and all of that. So I felt that was the best way for me. The tote bags, really, I'm not very worried about them, because they're not going to be like names of certain people or anything. They're going to be sayings. So I feel like those, I can do all of them at once and just have them ready for whenever someone does want to purchase them. And then the other ones, the cups and stuff, I am going to make some cups from the Conchitas one, just because that's something that it's not very, I mean, I can probably add a name if they want to. Other than that, I think that's it. I am going to first, for me to get a head start, I'm going to cut a lot of the designs and just prep them for whenever people do want to order them. So I'm very excited about that. So currently I have 17 items. I have 17 items in my cart, and it is $384, which is a lot, but not a lot, because it's everything included already. There's the mugs, the transfer tape, the bags, the heat transfer. I'm also going to be getting a cup cardle, just so it can help me better. I got all the packaging, The only thing I need is the boxes. I also purchased ink for my computer for the stickers. And yeah, so I'm actually, yeah. So basically, I'm going to budget and see. I do not want to spend no more than $400 to open up the business. So that's why I'm basically doing everything myself. I'm also going to, I did my logo myself. I'm going to print the thank you card myself as well. I do need to get some index cards, and then I'm going to laminate them myself. I'm going to try and save as much money as I can. But yes, so with that being said, there's a couple of more things that I need to get, which is the boxes, the heat transfer vinyl, and the heat transfer vinyl I am only going to get black and white. So that should black and white, or black and like a different color, mostly just black. So I'm not going to spend a lot of money on heat transfer vinyl because I only need black. But yes, I think that is everything. I'm going to go ahead and start my budgeting system. I'm aiming for $450, no more than that. If it does go over $450, I am going to eliminate some things. I definitely don't want to feel that pressure of investing so much money and then not having anything sell or just having a lot of stuff there. I can always keep those cups and continue gift them to my brothers, sisters, friends if they don't sell, which I wouldn't mind. So, but that's not the mentality. The mentality is that we are going to sell everything. I keep looking this way because I don't know, this room is really weird. I'm in my mom's room. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this as fast as I can because the light is dying on me, but I hate that they give you such a big box for. Anyways, I got this peach tissue paper to put my orders in, and then I also got some blades for my Cricut. I went ahead and got some washi tape or painter's tape, I guess you can say. And then this one is open. Why? Anyways, I got some Yosea sticker paper because I'm going to do my own stickers for my thank you made with love and stuff. Super tiny, and the packaging they come in is ridiculous. Like, this is ridiculous. This big old box, this came in this little box. It doesn't make sense to me, but whatever. I went ahead and got some Tech Rep adhesive craft vinyl. This is a holographic one. I love this one so much. I decided to go ahead and get more for my upcoming projects. And then I went ahead and got these cups I'm going to use as a sample design because the other cups, the cups where I got from a warehouse, are coming in very soon, sometime this week. So I went ahead and got these to start working on them and taking pictures. A box that comes in a box. Okay, I see you, Amazon. I see you. I feel like I'm missing something. So these are the cups. Okay, how stinking cute are these? Oh my god, I love them so much. Can you see? Look at these. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I can't wait. These are actually beer. I don't know what this is for. They are beer glasses, but oh my gosh, what's going on? My phone's exploding. Because I was gonna do my own, but I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna get it. I went ahead and got a cup cradle. Is that how you say it? I don't know. So basically, it makes the transferring of the tape way, just to be able to put the vinyl on the cup. It makes it way easier and it's way more proportioned. I struggle a lot with that, and I do have a little bit of shaky hands, so yeah. I also got parchment paper, so when I do have to layer up, it comes out beautiful, because I'm not only working for me now, I'm working like for a lot of people. And then I went ahead and got this clear transfer tape, which is teeny, but that's okay. It had a lot of good reviews. And this is the brand, I don't know, oops, TB Don't. So that is what I got from in that box. And then there's this one here. I'm wondering what this is. Sorry. I'm sorry if the quality is not the best. It's getting dark already. So, what is this? Oh, these are glass straws. These are actually for me. I ordered them personally for my use. Yeah, they're not to sell or anything. And I did went ahead and got this because this is going to be the background of some of my pictures. So I went ahead and got that. And that was just like $9. I am going to do a whole separate video on everything that I got, more in detail, and why I got it, and the whole budget. You would be surprised. My budget did not go over $500. I think it was less than that. It was $4 something, not even $4.50, less than that. Couple more things to show you. And these little stickers, they are way too tiny, and that is why I decided to get my own stickers, because these are just, they will work to like close the tissue on the cup, but when I close the whole package, I really want to add a nice sticker, and it'll have my logo. I also got these keychains to practice. Maybe if you order from my shop, you probably get a little keychain with your name on it or something cute on it. I did get a, what is this? I did get a transfer heat paper, and I got bubble wrap. And I'm gonna keep all, don't worry, I'm going to recycle everything that's in these boxes. Literally going to keep all of the bubble wrap and use them because they're not popped or anything. I don't know if I'll use these. I probably will if they're not popped. Literally intact. I will make sure to disinfect them. So I have 2 more things that are here that I want to show you. I'm still missing a couple of things, so that will be coming soon. But these cups I will be selling. They will be on Sunny Soul, and I already have the designs for them. So if you want to go and look at them, once this video is up, my shop is up, I will have everything linked below for you. So look at these colors. Oh my god. The camera does not do it justice. It does not. Look at these nude color, okay? I don't want to touch him with my dirty hands. I don't want to touch them, but look at these. Oh my god, so beautiful. Okay. So let's protect these. Make sure they don't get dirty. And let me move you over here. Okay, let me move you there because I have another packaging from Starta cups. I love these cups. These are actually the ones that I had. So if you see pictures of them, it's because I already had these cups and I wanted to design them. So they send you a little thank you card. And look, these are the cups. They are beautiful and very good quality. And then I'm just missing the tote bags. So yes, I will basically be selling 3 different things, which is the clear, let me put you back up here. We'll basically be selling 3 different things, which is the pastel cups, the clear cups, and the glass. 4 things, I'm sorry. It'll be the tote bags, the clear cups, the pastel cups, and the glass cups. Basically, most of them will have the same design. It just depends the cup that you want to purchase. So yes, because I know people are like, oh, well, like, why didn't you stick to one? But I wanted to have different options, just like the same design kind of a thing. For this part of the video, I'm gonna